Yeah, I'm not, honey. Yeah, it's not frozen. No, it's not. Did you see? Oh, it's okay, guys. We're gonna do dumpster dive. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift you. Oh wait.
Sobrang pagod namin ito, guys. And then, galing kami Long Island. Pagdating namin sa bahay, pakain namin yung mga alaga namin. And umalis agad kami sa bahay kasi nagyayang makipag-double date itong kapatid ni Mister at saka yung asawa. So, kaya kahit sobrang pagod, punta kami doon. At para naman makalabas-labas din kami ni Mister, no? Kasi paminsan, alam nyo naman, na hindi talaga kami lumalabas. So, kaya yun, nag-uo kami kahit sobrang pagod. Ako na yung nag-drive kasi the whole freaking 8 hours, guys, no? Si Tammy yung nag-drive. So, yun, nakapunta na kami sa bahay ni sister-in-law and then sinusundan namin sila. Sila yung nasa una. At yun, magpunta na kami sa Texas Roadhouse na restaurant. So, guys, alam nyo, pagdating namin doon, guys, nakakasurpresa talaga. Sabado man, guys, no? Grabe, ang daming tao.
True. I don't know.
Grabe, guys, ang daming tao.
Well, estimated. I can't guarantee when somebody's going to finish eating.
Pick them out.
Traffic even sa ano, even the back. Kahit sa parking lot sa likuran, grabe. Ang daming tao.
I don't know how big this place is.
Hala, eh. This is crazy.
Yeah, who is it? Marianne.
Buti na lang malaki itong parking lot nila. Meron sa likuran puno, sa harapan puno din. At grabe, ang lakas-lakas ng music, guys. Sus, pagpunta namin sa pinto, guys, ito na yung bumugad sa amin. Oh, guys. Naghanag tao, eh.
Warmer in here.
Where are you going?
But you can.
Where Angela going?
I don't know. Where are you going?
There's
You
any...
think it's closer?
Why? Alis kami, guys. Sobrang ano.
Why is it closer?
Alis kami, sobrang daming tao.
Why don't we go down?
At itong gabing ito is sobrang ginaw, guys. Ay, grabe. Kahit naka-coat na ako dyan na matigas at maganda yung coat na gamit ko, guys. Grabe ang ginaw. Naawa ko kay Mister kasi yung coat niya is sobrang manipis yan, guys. So ngayon, naghanap kami ng ibang restaurant. Buti na lang itong asawa ng kapatid ni Mister is meron siyang alam dito ba sa lugar na ito kasi malapit sa bahay nila. So which is okay kaayo. Talagang sa totoo lang, guys, hindi ko kinaya ang ginaw nitong gabi na ito. Pati si Tami talaga, naawa ako. At andito na kami sa kabilang restaurant na pinuntahan namin, guys. Ay nasa loob lang pala ng Macy's, guys. Ang restaurant na ito, 110 Grill ang pangalan. Tara, pasok tayo and order agad, guys. Ay, nalit, nagutom na ang mga person. At pagkatapos namin kumain kasi nasa loob po ito na Macy's at yun, kahit dahil naghanap ako ng relo, tingin-tingin lang kami, guys, kung meron ba kami magustuhan at yun, meron akong nakita ditong jewelry, guys. $6,000, guys. Sabi ko kay Tamihan, oh, looks really good. Sas, guys, sobrang mahal, ay hindi kaya sa power. Ito din kapatid ni Tami. Dahil wala kami nakita ditong relo, naghanap siya online, guys.
You sure that's a scissor? It looks like plastic.
Those razor blades. See the tiny little razor blade there in the white?
Yeah. I'll bet.
That's the scam.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. That's the scam there.
You can.
My Sandra, this is nice, Andrea, for you.
It is nice, but it's short, and I'm old.
Yeah, it's not good. It's good for
What's the
you.
matter for you?
No, my armpits, it shows.
But
Dito kami, shopping kami, guys, after dinner.
oh, that's a pretty dress. I like this one, but see,
Oh,
I
that's
couldn't wear it. I
nice.
couldn't wear it because it has a waistband.
You can get rid of it.
Yeah, but it's still a waistband. I like the color.
Shopping watch, guys. Oh, that's green, but I don't like gold.
You don't like gold?
I like, yeah.
The
Oh, look,
silver.
this is really nice. This is the kind, oh, look, like that.
Like that? You want with just the dots, not the numbers? or
Perfect
anything?
size, perfect.
Oh, the
and-
band, and that's the band you want?
Yeah,
And
perfect size, perfect round, and
I might have to go for a white face. Who's the company?
Coach expensive. I
Coach?
think,
Is
yeah,
that what it
Coach,
is? I
yeah.
can't read it. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say you could look.
That's,
dump
okay,
in it
guys,
there.
we're gonna do dumpster dive. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift you. Oh wait, you could climb up on the bar.
You park really far. I don't like it.
Oh, I see our car's heating up already.
Oh,
Tough
nice.
guy.
Okay, I'll drive, Hana. Nagyaya pa itong kapatid ni Mister na magpunta kami sa bahay nila pero sabi ko ay parang hindi na talaga kaya. As in pati yung tiyan ko, pangit yung pakiramdam at saka yung mata ko tara mahulog na sa pagod guys. Kasi sobrang aga kasi talaga namin bumangon para lang sa sigarilyo ni Mister. And then ito nagyaya din sila mag-double date so kaya yun good. Matulog na talaga ako guys. Ang dami ko pa sanang gawain. So kaya ako nang nag-drive guys at hindi din ako nag-inom ng wine kasi alam ko ako talagang mag-drive so si Tami na lang yung inom-inom. So, andito na yung package na hinihintay-hintay ni Mister na tagal dumating dito at frozen pa naman ito at ilang mag 1 week na ata, 'di ba? So, delikado guys. So, kaya hindi ako masyadong excited pero yun, kinuha namin at hindi na wala, hindi talaga siya mabigat as in. So, ngayon na-disappoint talaga kami nito guys. Grabe. It's a surprise order but because he's having a problem, nagka-problema siya so he told me what he ordered. Because he is.
I'll tell you exactly what I ordered.
Oh, you don't. Oh, I don't know what's in here.
No, you don't.
Seriously.
No,
I thought I know.
you think.
Aduh, what the heck is this? A frog?
Yeah, a frog.
Aduh. Hala, I hope it's still frozen. Hala, I can smell it, Han.
Not frozen. That's the problem.
Let me put it on the floor. Wait. What the heck is this?
Are they cold or not even cold? Oh, they're cold.
It's cold because it's outside.
Yeah, I know.
But it's not, honey. I'm not. Hala, the butt is very dirty. Can you give me a towel, please? This is what you ordered, seriously, Han. Yeah, I'm not, honey. Yeah, it's not frozen. No, it's look. Did you see? Oh, it's already like seriously. Huh?
Then they gotta replace them.
What is this? Look, annoying. Open. Yeah, no, there's no way I'm gonna eat this, Han. No, this is seafood. See,
I understand it's seafood. That's the whole idea.
like, oh,
No, that's why I called them. So there's a problem with it. Yeah, this is like water inside, really.
this is not.
It's water,
That
isn't
means it's bad already.
Yeah.
There's no ice, Han.
Yeah, where are the ice packs?
There's no ice. So, is the refrigerator on over there?
It will be when I turn it on.
Okay, can you turn? I'm gonna put this in the Ziploc, big one.
They're not even packed with ice. I'm supposed to be.
Yeah. So what the heck?
People.
Turn it on. King crab, guys. It's supposedly here December 24. Tommy told me because I don't have any idea na nag-order siya nito. So ngayon, unfrozen na siya kasi matagal dineliver. So, there's no ice whatsoever. So, tinanong ko si Tami kung magkaano yung order niya dito, guys. So, ngayon, kinocompute ko sa kanya kung ginamit namin yun, kung kami na lang yung bumili sa tindahan, marami-rami pa at sure pa na fresh. Hindi man fresh, yung frozen talaga pagdating dito sa bahay. Hindi katulad nito na hindi frozen. So, ngayon, sabi ko sa kanya, makabili naman tayo, marami-rami pa nung sa tindahan at saka sa presyuhan na yun na binayad mo dito, useless. Kiguwa na ito eh. At saka wala talagang ice, guys. So, kung hindi namin yan kakainin, ilagay namin sa refrigerator sa labas ng bahay kasi ipa-return namin yan or magpadala sila dito ng iba. Sabi ko kay Tami, ipadala na lang dito yung pera, balik. Ay, ayaw man ni Tami kasi nasabi na daw niya gusto niyang balik, mag-send sila ng ibang ganito. Yung package nila or yung mga in-order is hindi siya, guys, hindi siya yung parang ma-excite ka kasi maisip mo makabili tayo sa tindahan na marami-rami pa sa presyo na yon. Marami-rami pa yung mabili natin sa tindahan at sure tayo na hindi siya defrost. Kaluka. So, dahil nag-post ako sa social media yung beef, yung prime rib. Ba't hindi ito ma-post? So, dahil sa yung nag-post ako ng prime rib, may mga nagsasabi na nag-ano daw ako, nagyabang. Guys, as a content creator, alam nyo ba, as a content creator, if I'm doing food vlog, lalo na sa isang page ko na kumakain, nagluluto, ganon-ganon paminsan. So, yung mga, alam nyo ba, yung as a content creator, yung binili naming prime rib, ang rason po is, yun siya, guys. Taxable po siya, kino-content ko. So, as a content creator, yung mga food na binibili ko, and then I do that for vlogging. ginagawa namin yan ni Tami. Nakasave kami, and also at the same time, we bought it para for content, okay? And also, makasave kami. Ito pa. Ibigay daw namin yung iba kasi sobrang dami. Kaya nga bumibili kami guys, kasi kung content ko yung pagkain ng steak. At kung bibili din ako ng isda, kino-content ko din yan for as a content creator. And then, hindi ko siya pwedeng maibigay-bigay guys, kasi konsumo. No, konsumo namin. And also, hindi na ako maghanap every time na magmukbang ako ng steak. I have to go to the store. And then, it's more expensive. No, yung mga hiwa na steak, mahal po talaga siya guys, no? Dalawang hiwa is aabot na, basta mahal guys kung magpunta kayo sa tindahan. At yes, kung mayroong bisita, magpakain kami, family, ganon. Pero kung ipamigay din yan sa mga ibang tao kasi, hindi din, may mga tao din kasi na ayaw tumatanggap ng pagkain na like ganyan, ayaw nila. Mas prepare pa nila yung naka-lock can, basta naka-sealed, and also yung pera, ganon. And hindi talaga namin yan ibigay, guys. Hindi ibigay. May rason niya. Binibili nga namin yan kasi ang rason, yun siya. And yan, hindi maintindihan ng ibang tao sa Pilipinas. Lalo na dito sa US na mahilig hindi lahat ha, halos mga tao dito, mahilig talaga mag-imbak. Lalo na yung mahilig mag-imbak ng mga nakamura. Lalo na kapag may mga sale at makasave, no? And then, hindi ka na, basta ganun. Basta yun siya. So, hindi naman nagmamayabang guys, kasi I'm a content creator, kina-content ko siya for content, 'di ba? So hindi, kung nayayabangan kayo, hindi ko na yan problema ninyo na yan kung nayayabangan kayo, or baka nayayabangan kayo kasi meron kayong nafe-feel something sa sarili ninyo or sa inyong buhay. So magkaiba po tayo ng buhay guys, no? Yun po siya. Anyway, naghintay ako kay Tami, nandito siya sa labas, nagplow. Hi guys, nagluto po ako ng T-bone steak. Meron tayong dalawang T-bone steak na niluluto. And then meron ding isa na na-defrost ako. Ito din isa. So, ang T-bone steak niluluto ko siya guys dahil old na siya, and also habang hindi pa siya sira, lutuin na natin, no? Lutuin natin. So, kaya niluluto ko yung T-bone steak na binili ni Tami kasi guys, bago siya yung parang hindi na siya makain. So, okay pa siya. Di, lutuin natin. Old na kasi siya. 2024 pa. August siya guys. 2024. So, hindi pa talaga siya sira kasi naka-sealed naman siya. So, kaya lutuin natin siya. Pa isa-isa lang guys, no? Look, ang ganda ng T-bone steak. So, kaya yun. At yun yung kainin ni Mister. Ako naman yung isa. Yung hindi. Dahil nagluto tayo ng steak, guys. Salad is the key. Na-miss kong salad, guys. Na-miss kong arugula. So, mag-arugula tayo. And I'm so, happy kasi masaya ako, guys. Dahil mayroong nag-message sa akin. Doon sa isang app, mayroong nagsabi na nagustuhan daw ng appam nila yung arugula na ginawa nila, kinapi yung sa akin. So, which is really, ang saya kasi mayroong nagkagusto sa ganitong klaseng salad, no? So, masadya naman. So, katay ng tomato. Yan, meron ng onion dito. So, katay ng kamatis. Kapag talaga guys, kapag magawa ako nito, hindi ko talaga ilalagay ang Kaya ganitong kamatis yung ilalagay ko. Ganito, kasi para makuha ko yung liso. Kasi yung liso kasi kapag meron kang leftover, magtubig yung salad. So ang seasoning na nilalagay mo, may additional na siya na juice from the tomato sauce juice. So which is hindi ko gusto kasi mawala yung original na lasa, which is very simple lang naman yung lasa niyan. So konting kamatis lang kasi ang talaga sa salad na ito is ito siya guys. At saka yung mozzarella cheese. Limon talaga.
5 after 5, just calling to say a quick hello. Hopefully you guys didn't get too much sun.
Konting suka. Asin. And pwede din lagyan konting basil guys. Depende sa inyo. Ako usually hindi ako maglagay pero lagyan natin.